Hey guys, October is here and I have a new free challenge for you. Today I have sent 5 ephemera sheets out to my email list, all with a Cursed Curios theme. If you're not on the email list and you'd like to join today's challenge, then don't worry, there is a sign up link in the description down below where you can get the current month's challenge. This month's challenge is inspired by my latest project kit, Cursed Antiquities. Cursed Antiquities follows the story of Jordan Hale, the agent in charge of investigating a flurry of cursed items that have been sold to the unsuspecting residents of a town called Marrowhaven. If you want to find out more about this kit, then stick around because after I go over the challenge rules, I'm going to give you some more details. These challenge pages continue the theme of items that are not quite what they seem to be. I provided 4 different items, each with their own curse and history. If you're someone who likes to do your own creative writing, I totally encourage you to come up with your own curse and history for each of these items instead. But for those of you who just like to craft and not have to think that hard, there are curses and histories for all 4 items. So let's go over the rules for the Cursed Curios challenge. You need to create something using at least 3 elements from these ephemera sheets by October 31st, 2025. This can be a tag, folio, journal page, or anything else you can come up with. You can use as many additional craft supplies as you like, as long as you use 3 elements from these pages. If you enjoy sharing your projects with others, then I encourage you to take some photos or video or both of your works in progress, as well as your finished project. Then head on over to the Facebook group and share your challenge using the hashtag #CursedCurios. I have included a rules PDF with all of this information in it, as well as clickable links to the Facebook group and the Cursed Curio hashtag. I always look forward to seeing what you make with these challenge sheets. So if you missed it, last Friday, I released my newest box kit, Cursed Antiquities, in my Etsy shop. This is a beginner-friendly, fully guided 14 project craft kit where each of the 14 craft projects add to an ongoing story. As we craft each project, we're going to be adding parts of the story to the main character, Agent Hale's notebook, investigating the scene of each incident, and locking dangerous cursed antiquities away so that they can no longer harm the innocent residents of our town. At the end of the story, you're going to have a box full of projects that you handcrafted as you explored the story. If you're an occasional crafter, this project is perfect for you. I have broken everything up step by step. Each project is its own self-contained crafting session. I go over supplies, how to print everything at the beginning of every single project. However, if you're more experienced or you like to binge craft, then this is also for you because there is hours of low-key relaxing crafting here. So perfect for a rainy weekend or maybe a little staycation at home. You can find Cursed Antiquities for sale in my Etsy shop, and there is a link to that in the description down below. Well, that's everything for today. I cannot wait to see what you all do with this month's challenge. I do have 1 or 2 more things in this theme planned for the month, so keep an eye out for those, and I will see you in the next video.